Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off and disconnect the AirPods Max to avoid accidental damage. Once done, remove the magnetic ear cushions by pressing and twisting. Set them on a clean surface. Use a soft, lint-free cloth slightly dampened with water and mild soap for general surfaces. Avoid soaking. For seams and crevices, prepare cotton swabs with 70% isopropyl alcohol, only lightly moistened. You're minimizing liquid exposure while ensuring debris removal, so move promptly but carefully to the next step. Now focus on the frame and drivers. Use the damp cloth to wipe the headband and aluminum frame, then immediately dry with another lint-free cloth to prevent moisture ingress. For the mesh and speaker openings, use a soft, dry brush or compressed air bursts at low pressure to dislodge dust without forcing moisture in. Once clean, touch up metal and plastic joints with a lightly moistened alcohol swab to sanitize and remove oils. Make sure no liquid pools in seams. Let parts air dry briefly before reassembly. Reassemble by aligning the magnetic cushions and pressing until they snap into place. Check that cushions sit flush and stable. Then power on, reconnect to your device, and test audio, active noise cancellation, and sensors to confirm everything works. If you notice muffled sound, remove cushions and repeat gentle cleaning of mesh. If sensors fail or connectivity persists, reset the headphones per Apple instructions, and if problems continue, contact Apple support. Make sure to check warranty coverage before any paid repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.